Do you think you need thousands of words and perfect grammar to speak fluent English? Well, you're wrong. Many learners believe fluency takes years, but what if I told you that's not true? Today, I'm breaking the 5 biggest myths that stop people from speaking English fluently. Let's go. Myth 1, you need thousands of words. People think that to speak English fluently, you must memorize 10,000 words. But let me ask you, do native speakers use every word in the dictionary? No. Reality. In daily conversation, most people use just 1,000 to 2,000 common words. So instead of memorizing big words, focus on learning everyday phrases. Example, instead of learning exacerbate, just say make worse. Fluency tip, learn phrases, not just words. Myth number 2, you must speak perfect grammar. Have you ever avoided speaking English because you're afraid of grammar mistakes? Let me tell you a secret, even native speakers make grammar mistakes. Reality, fluency is about communication, not perfection. You don't need perfect grammar to be understood. Example, a native speaker might say, she don't know, instead of she doesn't know, but people still understand. Fluency tip, speak first, correct later. Don't let grammar fears stop you. Myth number 3, watching English movies will make you fluent. I hear this all the time, I watch English movies, but I still can't speak fluently. Here's why. Reality, watching movies improves listening, but passive learning is not enough. You must practice speaking. Fluency tip, use shadowing, repeat lines from movies immediately after hearing them. Example, watch a scene from Friends, pause, and repeat what they say with the same tone and speed. Myth 4, you must live in an English-speaking country. Some people say, I can't learn English because I don't live in an English-speaking country. But that's a myth. Reality, many fluent English speakers never left their country. Why? Because they create an English environment wherever they are. Fluency tip, change your phone language to English. Talk to yourself in English. Join online English groups and communities. Example. Instead of saying I don't have English friends, find an online speaking partner. Myth number 5, only kids can learn English easily. Many adults think they are too old to learn English. But here's a fact, adults can actually learn faster than kids. Reality, adults have stronger reasoning and problem-solving skills, which help in learning languages. Fluency tip, use short, daily practice sessions instead of long study hours. Don't compare yourself to others, focus on progress. So, which of these myths did you believe? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more fluency secrets, hit that like button and subscribe to English Guru for more amazing tips. See you in the next video.